Kian Dismo off the Cam Dismo. Left, right, open, pass over, down, missed the shot. Alavis over the Torres. Nakuha ni Isabela. Here is Torres with another. Cross court with Jolo. Jolo to Tagami. Tagami taking three to Alavis. Alavis turns around. Torres missed the shot. Rebound picked up by Genesis. Kian with another. Over to Dismo. Dismo pass over. Down. Nothing there. Rebound picked up by Suarez. Over to Tagami. Tagami Gonzalez, the defensive line guy. Dismo brings the ball down. Back to Barangay. Selected two. Kian pulls the trigger. In and out. Ball picked up by Jolo. The ball to Barangay says small. Jolo over to Torres. Torres taking three. Reverse block. 3 points. And we are in 10 at 34. It is Kian Dismo with another. Here's second down the key. Looking for Kian Dismo. Balikan mo lang kay Kian. The younger Dismo taking three.